Hey guys, got the R6 out tonight and I want you to check out this video I just put together using the Insta360 X5's PureVideo mode. So we are out on the town tonight shooting in the X5's PureVideo mode. Got the R6 out and I've mounted this camera to a bunch of locations on the bike, and the low light capability of the Insta360 X5 is second to none. Action cameras are typically not known for having great low light capability, but I've reviewed some of the footage so far that I've taken tonight and pretty happy with the results. I'm super excited to get home, get it in the editor and see what I can come up with. Hope you guys enjoy the video.